just got a buzz. Just like that. And the only way you can get a buzz is you have to have something on. And that is called, you got it, audio to video recording. Hey, I'm Fish. Welcome to the show. I went on a bike ride yesterday and I'd taken out my Bianchi Advantage. Oh man, did I feel like I was compacted and my hands hurting. And I was pedaling like no tomorrow. That bike is like smooth as butter. At least I'm on my Huffy Park side. It's a perfect fit, comfortable bicycle. More like they call a Dutch bike. Dutch bikes are great. I got a comment yesterday and I answered it like a pro. Hey son, when you get my age and you want to teach people, you don't talk fast. When school's over, you could do what you want. Today's highlight, courtesy is gone. And that's all I care to say. Man, I don't know which was better. Me saying before courtesy is gone, being on the internal audio, or it's better, meaning that after I said courtesy's gone, the audio came on. I'm like going back to old school with the DJI Osmo Action 4 and the DJI Mic 2. In order for it to go on consistently, you have to leave the camera on. But if you put it on that hibernation mode and you do that quick start, the quick switch, the shutter button, it could come on immediate, it could come on 30 seconds later, it may not even come on at all, but it will come on. I'm all handheld today. And I do want to get down to the amusement park today, but it's too cold for me today. So I'm just going to go right down to the bay, which I'm at right now. Nicely lit up on the boardwalk, the pier, the bridge. I'll give you a moment shot so you can look at the scenery, the breeze, the slackness, the birds, the sunrise. Oh man, you came on instant that time. The one thing I want to do about my Huffy Park side, I have to research. Yeah, disc brake. I don't want to do both of them. I think I'll leave the front as is and put a disc brake on the rear because I'm not sure how disc brakes works on a bike, but they're a lot better than these inexpensive ones, if asked. Oh man, the house got its lights on. They're nice post lights, and they're all lit up. The property indeed. Oh, the wind is kicking. At least I made it down to the beginning of the boardwalk. Just like the beginning of the audio of the DJI Mic 2. I'm heading on back. I had enough. It's just like still winter out here. I just don't get it. Non-stop breeze. Yeah, it's gotta blow to change. But it's blowing every day. Yeah, I'll blow and hoof your house down. You know that saying. Yeah, you gotta tell a little story or the kids won't be happy. Oh, there's the sun. It'll be up by the time I get to where I need to be at. It'll be blinding. I watched an awesome video. Man, it was really interesting. It led right up to the Pocket 3. All about ISO aperture. Yeah, man, when it went to get to the real shots, the video ended. Thank you, DJI. Thank you, mister. Keep up the great work. He knows who he is. Oh, we got some lights on. Yeah. I had enough fun with you. My hands are cold. I had a good talk. Yeah. A little bit of this, a little bit of that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe I'll go do some work, get some things done, and work on other things. Don't worry about simple stuff. On that note, I know who I am. Have a great day and catch on many videos to come.